David hasn't forgotten about the shopping either. Tonight he's going to visit several shops with local souvenirs. His mates asked him to purchase some things for them. David is asking an employee at the reception about this. The receptionist tells him all he knows. So David is thinking now where to go. The nearby souvenir store is located right behind the corner. But the prices there are not so low. Another one with low prices pretty far. David has decided to have a walk and is moving towards the farther store.